Hi everyone, this is Wahid from GRIP June 21 batch. Here is my task 3 submission, that is exploratory data analysis of Superstore using R. Here we can see the data set of sample store in which we have 13 attributes and almost 10,000 rows. For exploratory data analysis, we need, there are two major parts. First is query solving and another is data visualization. For that, we need two main packages that those are dplayer and ggplot. So now we are reading our data set in R by using read.csv function. After that, we see the dimensions of store data set, and here we are printing first 6 rows of our data set, and here we have summary of our data set. If it is categorical values, it find the count of each category in that particular row, and if it is a numeric value, then it find mean, max, median in that attribute. Here is our first query. We need to select only those rows, ship mode, segment, country, and city. For that, we are using select function, which is available in dplayer package. Again, we need here is our second query, that is we need to select rows so which of in which the ship mode is second class. For this, it is we are using the filter function and select function. Here we can see the output. We have only those rows where the ship mode is second class, and here is the third query, in which we need to select segment equals to consumer and city equals to Los Angeles. For that also we are using filter function. Here is output. And now this is the fourth query, that is we need to arrange consumers of Los Angeles in ascending order. Los Angeles in ascending order according to the profit. So we can see the output here. The profit is arranged in ascending order, and the segment is consumer. And the fifth query is we need to find maximum profit in all cities. For that, we are using group by function. We are grouping by city and find the in summarize function. We are finding the max of profit. So here is the max profit of every city. And now we are finding total profit in every city. For that also we are using group by function, and summarize, we are finding sum of profit, and after finding we are arranging in descending order. Here we are finding the total sales in each region. Here we have 4 regions. We are finding the sales in each region. And this is all about the queries, and it is Univariation Plots. And here comes Univision Plots. We are plotting ship mode as a bar graph. Now we are plotting the region, and each region we have 4 regions, and each region we have these many attributes. There is the blocks plot, which helps us to find the outliers. We can see that discount is discount falls under 0.2 to 0. But there are 3 attributes which falls under 0.6 to 0. These are considered as outliers. Similarly, in this way, we find box plot for sales and profits. These are considered to be outliers. Now we go for bivariation plots. Here is the first bivariation plot, that is box plot. We are considering the ship mode and profit, and based on the ship mode how the profit is changed, and these are the outlier. We can see there are 10 to 20 attributes which are 10 to 20 rows which are outliers. Similarly, we are finding for state and profit. And now we are finding the maximum profit in each city and plotting them in line graph. Here we can see the graph. And now we are plotting total sales in each city. Here is the plot we have. On x-axis we have state, on y-axis we have total sales. And this among we have California has highest sales. And now we are finding the total profit in each city. So that we can from the graph we can conclude that California and some other state we have maximum profit between 70,000 and 80,000. And now we are plotting scatter plots. In this we are saying we are plotting between sales and profit, and we are categorizing these points with respect to ship mode. Similarly, we are categorizing sales and profit with respect to category. And here comes the discount and profit plot with respect to category runtime. But it is stat graph in which it says on 0.0 how many are under technology are having the profit this much. And this is how we plot. This is how we can visualize in R.